Have you been pondering the chance of putting resources into Algorand, Algo, in light of the capability of its blockchain innovation? Indeed, you should realize that Algorand isn't only one of the most famous brilliant agreement chains in the decentralized money (DeFi) space. This video investigates Algorand, its center areas of business and in particular for planned financial backers, the upsides and downsides, which can assist with responding to the inquiry. Would it be advisable for you to purchase Algorand, Algo? Algorand, Algo, was one of the most mind-blowing performing digital forms of money that moved in 2021. The advanced resource returned over 315% in 2021, very much like other administration tokens like Matic of Polygon, ETH of Long Money, UNA of Uniswap, and OV of OV. Algo supervises the economy of Algorand. To lay it out plainly, it settles all exchanges on the Algorand organization. With the instability of digital currencies at its standard high, Algo could bring tremendous returns for informal investors, cryptographic money brokers, blockchain devotees, and worth financial backers. Algo may simply be the advanced resource expected to adjust your arrangement of speculations. So will Algorand go up as well? With additional engineers pursuing Algorand's projects that mean to cover each part of decentralized finance, is Algorand a decent long-haul venture, in particular for unpracticed dealers and financial backers? What are the advantages and disadvantages which can assist with responding to the inquiry? Would it be a good idea for you to purchase Algorand, Algo? Crypto resource putting is exceptionally unpredictable and unregulated in some EU nations. No shopper security charge on benefits might apply. The historical backdrop of Algorand. Algorand was established by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation, MIT, in 2017. Organizer Silvio Macaulay has been one of the main figures in cryptography since the 1980s. It was after the outcome of blockchain enlivened digital forms of money Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Run, and the production of Ethereum that caused him to comprehend the potential outcomes of blockchain in the worldwide world. On 1 February 2018, Algorand declared that it has gotten $4 million in seed cash from Association Square and Support Point Adventures. Following 3 months on 1 May 2018, Algorand shared subtleties of its convention. It comprised of the Byzantine Understanding Convention that had the specialized headways to help the unadulterated confirmation of stake PPOS blockchain. On 20 July 2018, local area individuals were welcome to take part in the send-off of the Algorand testnet. On Tuesday, 9 October 2018, Algorand's most memorable open-source code of undeniable arbitrary capability (VRF) was delivered. This was the primary period of the testing of the versatility and speed of the framework to help a great many clients. On 24 October 2018, Algorand left on 2 key excursions. Right off the bat, it reported its leader group, with Sean Portage filling in as boss activities official (COO) and the CEO president job going to Steve Kakinos. Furthermore, the development of the chief group finished in an expansive worldwide speculation bunch, giving $62 million to help the Algorand project. In 2019, Algorand arrived at key achievements. On 25 January 2019, the vault, quick bootstrapping for the Algorand organization was reported. On Friday, 1 February 2019, there was the send-off of developer.algorand.org. This gave designers the required assets to work in a borderless economy. After a few achievements followed, eminent conveyed processing master Maurice Herlihy joined the Algorand project on 29 WOC 2019. On 4 April 2019, Algorand's center innovation was delivered by Silvio Macaulay. The testnet was at long last open to the general population on 16 April 2019. Following quite a while of going through the last interaction, the Algorand establishment declared the primary sale, which denoted the authority mainnet send-off on 5 June 2019. What is Algorand? Algorand is a decentralized, secure, versatile, permissionless public chain that expects to construct a borderless economy. Algorand is a blockchain stage for secure and quick worldwide exchanges and the straightforward production of monetary instruments. Algorand, in contrast to Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, doesn't depend on a proof-of-work (POW) calculation. All things considered, it utilizes a variation of the evidence of stake (POS) calculation called the unadulterated verification of stake (PPOS). The essential benefit of utilizing this calculation is that blocks are finished in no time. This forestalls forks and gives moment exchange conclusion. The center purposes behind creating Algorand were ascribed to effortlessness, execution, reception, and moment unquestionable status. Algorand has a local resource called Algo. This is the digital money on the organization. The essential ticker Algo is what Algorand exchanges on the different cryptographic money trades that run down it for exchanging. What is the motivation behind Algorand? Algorand was made to find answers for the three-way issue. Blockchain advancements have been related with since its commencement by Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin in 2009. Algorand plans to address issues connected with decentralization, security, and versatility. What number of Algorand, Algo, coins are there available for use? According to data recovered from CoinMarketCap, there are 7.12 B Algos available for use. At the commencement of the arrival of the tokens, 10 billion Algos were put out there. The group has an arrangement of selling 600 million coins yearly till 2030. Algo has positive returns. Algo returned 325% in 2021. This is profoundly noteworthy of the digital money as it returned a gigantic misfortune in 2019. It expanded by over half in 2020. However, this couldn't measure up to the new levels the digital money has reached and keeps on yearning for. Algo's responsible power. The Algorand establishment keeps on cultivating extraordinary organizations that see greater liquidity filled the organization. Since Algo is the essential local resource on the stage, it keeps on being associated with hundreds of exchanges day to day. Apparently, with the quantity of engineer programs combined with the point of Algorand to make a framework that can assist with scaling quicker, Algorand's biological system will keep on growing in the long haul. Algo has the help of key part in the game. Following 2 months of exchanging on the web, Algo was recorded on Coinbase on 9 August 2019. This made Algo one of the quickest tokens to be recorded by the trade. In the current crypto space, it is simple for devotees of a specific digital money to come down on specific cryptographic money trades to list resources of their premium. Long before 2021, this was unimaginable. Coinbase posting became one of the essential drivers of a resource's value because of the believability and legitimacy of the trade. For Coinbase to list Algo implied that they directed a broad evaluation of the cryptographic money. They got to know the sum of the venture and the originality of the development. Coinbase ensured Algo as a potential high-yielding digital money that could order an enormous exchanging volume. Coinbase has around 108 million clients. Algo is in the sights of these clients day to day. As the venture gets and keeps on seeing more mileage in the standard because of its use, it would be not difficult to get to the digital money and put resources into it. The Algorand undertaking has additionally seen the support of Support Point and Association Square Endeavors, Flipside Crypto, SyncSort, as well as worldwide colleges, which join Algorand to additionally decentralize the organization. This multitude of establishments keep on supporting Algorand, so it can make an imaginative innovation that has not been seen previously. This could go far to develop the organization and increment the quantity of uses running on it. When the organization sees more volumes, such movement could reflect in the everyday exchanging volumes of Algo and emphatically influence cost. The main concern: would it be advisable for you to purchase Algorand? Algo is one of the most amazing yielding digital forms of money you ought to consider putting resources into as indicated by coin value.